And while we play, draw, and argue, we will also learn the affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. We use do with I, we, you, they, and plurals, and does with he, she, it, and singulars. Write one sentence of each type, affirmative, negative, and interrogative, in the comment section. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Easy Learning with Poonam Jain. In the last video, we had visited my grandma's home at that hill station. We also explored the simple present tense in that video. Now we are back home, but the holidays aren't over yet. So let me take you through a fun lazy day with my younger brother. And while we play, draw, and argue, we will also learn the affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences in simple present tense. It's still the holidays. I usually wake up early in the morning, but my brother doesn't. He sleeps like a panda. While I brush my teeth, he plays games on mom's phone. I don't like that. He doesn't even say good morning. Around 10 a.m., my cousin Neha comes over. She brings her drawing book and we all sit together. They draw cartoons, but I don't draw. I write short stories. Neha's drawings are so good. Don't you think she has a talent for art? Okay, let's take a short grammar break. Affirmative sentences in simple present tense follow this pattern. Subject plus base verb. For example, I write short stories. They draw cartoons. But for he, she, it, or singular, we add s or es to the verb. For example, he sleeps late. She brings her drawing book. It rains in the evening. For negative sentences, we use do or does plus not plus base verb. For example, I don't draw. He doesn't help. We don't finish homework on time. The thing to notice here is, even after doesn't, we use the base form of the verb. We don't add s or es to it. And for interrogative sentences, for questions, we use do or does in the beginning of the sentence. सेंटेंस के बिल्कुल शुरू में do या does यूज करते हैं plus subject plus base form of the verb. First we use do or does, then comes the subject, and then comes the base form of the verb. For example, do you like milkshake? Does he sleep early? Do they finish their homework? Always remember, do or does comes first, then we use the subject, and then comes the base verb. Now let's get back to the story. And we will also keep practicing simple present tense in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. So let's continue. After this creative session, mom asks, do you want juice or milkshake? My brother shouts, does it come with chocolate chips? Mom laughs. No, it doesn't. But yes, I can add some. In the afternoon, we play Ludo. They always cheat. And when I complain, they say, do we cheat or do you just lose? Well, I don't argue. I know the truth. In the evening, Dad returns from the work. He drinks tea, reads the newspaper, and asks, do you finish your holidays homework on time? We look at each other and stay quiet. Because we don't. Finally, as night falls, Mom says, it looks like rain. Does it rain every evening here? We help her clean the room. Well, mostly Mom does. And then we go to bed. So that was one regular day during our holidays, filled with fun, drama, and grammar. Let's quickly revise what we have learned today. We have learned about affirmative sentences. For example, I write short stories. She brings her drawing book. In affirmative sentences, we use base form of the verb, and with he, she, it, and singular, we also use s or es with the base form of verb. We learned negative sentences too. For example, he doesn't wake up early. We don't do homework on time. In negative sentences, we use do with I, we, you, they, and plurals, and does with he, she, it, and singulars. And we use base form of the verbs with both do and does. In interrogative sentences, we use do or does in the beginning of the sentence, And we use base form of the verb. We don't use S or ES with the verb. For example, do you want juice? Does it rain every day? Now it's your turn. Write one sentence of each type, affirmative, negative, and interrogative, in the comment section. Let's see how many of you get it right. I will try to reply all of you. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, then please like it, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe it now.